Hello, my frilly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina. I hope everyone's having a great day so far because we are back shopping at HomeGoods. I found my little cart in the parking lot. I can never find them in the store, only in the parking lot, so I make sure to find it before I go in. Last week when we were here, a lot of new garden items. And this is really pretty right here with the ceramic pot. That one is $20. And then we have the wicker pot right next to it. And that was $17. This one is $25. I like the length of it. Now, there's so many different ones. We have like ceramic pots, glass, and the wicker basket. Oh, that was really cute. With the faux hydrangeas. How much is this one? Okay, I found the price. It's right behind the tag. It was $60. Oh, that's a little too much for me. $30, I would be thinking about it. Now, I like this planter. I bought one last week, but it's the faux wicker with the plastic insert. Oh, this one has 3 legs to attach. And I like that they're not already attached, easier to get home. Here's the price, $50. It's a good size. And then here's the photo right here. Oh, I like that one with the stand. Or if you're looking for a bird bath, oh, that's pretty. How much is this one? $40. Wow, and I lifted it up. It's actually pretty lightweight. And then right behind it, there's 2 here in the store. Behind it, now what would you use this for? This one is $40. That's really interesting. And the kitty, oh, how cute. With the little butterfly on its nose. Has a little light here. So this is definitely for the outdoors. And it is solar. And it is $30. Oh, that is adorable. I'll have to think about that one. We have the frogs. I'm assuming those are $30 as well. Lots of beautiful faux flowers. This one is $17 in the glass. How much is this one? If I can find it. $50. It's funny, some of them have a really good price and some of them are really expensive. Yeah, I had to kind of do a double take on that price. Oh, this one's pretty. I like the size of it. I like how small it is, $17. And lots of planters. The pots, oh, that was gorgeous. How much is this one? Oh, it's lightweight, $25. See, that's actually not a bad price. And one of the things I like about the faux plants, if you're wanting some plants in your home and maybe you don't have any direct sunlight, those always work out so great. Oh, that was really lightweight. That is plastic. So lots of different materials. We have ceramic, like this one's really pretty with the flower for $25. So plastic, metal, and so many different options. And that's the fun part about shopping at HomeGoods. You could go to HomeGoods every day. You would find new items. This wreath is really pretty. That was $35. Oh, I like the smaller ones. That one is $13 with the purple flowers. And then over here, oh, those are Lily of the Valley. Now, this is a set of 2 for $30. Beautiful. And then I like this one right here as well. Oh, check out the gold planters. Now, these are ceramic. So this one is $25. And then right next to it, how much is this one? That one is actually $30. I know it's a little blurry. Those were really pretty. And then we have the mug with the canister set. So $13 each. Oh, that one's cute. That was also $13. I like the little wood top. We also have the salt and pepper shakers. I actually did get one from HomeGoods last year. And it was early last year, $10. That's about the price I paid for it. Those are fun. And then lots of Valentine's Day items. $15 for this teapot. Oh, that was really pretty. I love the clear teapots. If you're looking for a charcuterie board, we have the wood with the marble. And then the little cheese markers. And that one is $25. Lots of fun little trays. Like, look how cute this one is. Very lightweight. It's that melamine material and only $10. Oh, I like this one. That was really cute. And $6. Oh, I'm gonna grab that one. That will work for me. There's so many options. We have like the bows. Oh, these little heart plates are super adorable. That's also the melamine material. So for a set of 4, $8. Okay, that's not too bad. Oh, I like this teapot as well. That one is $13. And if you're needing some pedestals, this is really pretty. Actually got a couple for Christmas. That one is $10. So when it's red, you can use it for Christmas and Valentine's Day. Oh, the heart's cute. These are ceramic. Those are $10 for a set of 3. Oh, I like that 2-tier. I'm not going to try to lift it up. Sometimes it's just not very easy to reach them, but I did grab this one, $13. That's not too bad. Oh, this is the matching pitcher. That one is $10. This would go with the teapot. Yeah, right up there. And then we have some more canisters, so many mugs. There are so many mugs this year. So if you're looking for any Valentine's Day mugs, definitely check out HomeGoods. They have a lot. Now, I like this set, being very careful. Little 3 ceramic hearts on the board. That one is $25. Oh, I like these. Now, this is great. Okay, I'm actually going to get these too. So they're ceramic. Those are $6. And then, oh, this is at the bottom shelf. The marble with the heart glass top for cheese or desserts. I'm not even going to try and lift that one up. That one's cute. That was $17. And lots of little tea items, but plates. Like, this is great for creamer. That one is $6. Very pretty. And of course, they're sold separately, but you could build your set or just get, a couple little pieces. Like, this is really cute. Oh, it's not attached. I'm not going to try to flip it over, but that is adorable. And look how cute. The little shot glasses. And that one is $13. And then we have the glass cocktail shaker for $10. They have some fun barware here. If you're looking for Valentine's Day, the bows. Now that one is, $17. That is a lot for a single glass. Now this is cute with the heart. Oh, that is adorable. $8. Still a little pricey, but it's a lot less than the first one we saw. Oh, that one's cute too. And that one is $8. And on the bottom shelf, I found some heart-shaped champagne flutes. And that one is $8. And then the tablecloths. Oh, they have some really pretty ones. I like this one. It's great for spring. And that one is $20. Now, I like this brand, April Cornell, $25. I remember there used to be a store. They were so expensive, so they're a lot less here at HomeGoods. And then if you're needing some cookie cutters or, heart shapes for breads, sandwiches, that's $5. Or the ramekins for $8. So lots of really fun Valentine's Day. I know Valentine's Day is actually on a Saturday this year. But if you're wanting to stay home and just have fun, like, make some fun meals, that's always a great idea. Like, this is really cute. The heart is metal. It's attached to it. And that one is $15. And if you're needing some sprinkles, these are about $5 each. And that one's cute. My daughter always loves all the theme sprinkles. If you're baking something with love, check out this. That is gorgeous. $10. And more of the cookie cutter sets. Oh, these are cute. Oh, I like the little one on the inside. You can make some fun desserts with those. $8. And look at these measuring cups. How cute are these? And they're ceramic. Those are $8. And you can use those all year round. That's the one thing I do like about Valentine's Day items. They're hearts. You can use that any time of the year. Oh, those are cute. The baking molds. And then for your brie or anything you want to make in here, that was really cute. And that was $8. Oh, now check out this board. And this is a really nice one because you have the cover, but I've never seen it so long. Oh, I like the length of it. So you can see it has like the locking lid. And that's actually great if you're making it and then maybe going to a friend's house or relatives. Those are $20 each. Now this one actually has like, looks like 3 little sections. So if you're placing desserts, a charcuterie board, you can use this for whatever you want. Now that one is $17, but those are nice. If you're needing any spoon rests, they have quite a selection. So some for Valentine's Day, some for every day. But honestly, again, you can use hearts any time of the year, $5 each. Or if you're needing coasters, I actually have a coaster set very similar to this one. It's part marble, part wood, and $8. Definitely got some weight to it, but those are really cute. Now this is interesting. So the kitchen turntable, now this is very lightweight. It's made of plastic and only $10. It's not a bad price. If you're needing some towels, maybe for your kitchen or bathroom, and these are more for the bathroom, but you know, you can use these wherever you want to. It's $13 for a set of 2. And there's some cute ones. They still have a lot of the kitchen towels. I know I showed that last time I was here. Now, these are always really nice. And those are great for traveling. How pretty. That was $17. They are a little bit on the pricier side. There's different patterns and at different sizes too, as you can see. So if you're looking for a box or a stand or a jewelry box, definitely check these out. Oh, the cherries is really cute. This one with the bow. These are always really popular at HomeGoods because the price is actually pretty decent. Like this one is $15. I know I got one for my daughter for Valentine's Day last year. But these are always so pretty. And even if you want to shop ahead for Mother's Day, definitely check those out. Now we did find some blankets, the plush blankets with Hello Kitty for $25. Oh, we also have Snoopy. And then we have Bluey as well. And then for the cats, oh, these houses, my cats actually love these. And they're not that bad of a price too. So this one is, yeah, only $10. And then we have the other one behind it. That was $13. Or if you're looking for the cat scratcher, $17. I also found the treats, the cat treats, and these are in the tubes. So it's a box of 20. This is the churro. This is a seafood mixed variety. I bought these for my cats at another store. I paid about $11 for a box of 20. My cats went wild for it. They love it. And then here's another brand, Simply Puree, but I'm not familiar with that brand. But I know the churro, you can find that at a lot of different stores. Now, if you are looking for some toys, some for cats, some for dogs, like this one's for cats, that was $6. And this one's for dogs. That one is $6. So perfect for pets. Oh, look at this puzzle. Oh, this is a beautiful puzzle. 1,000 pieces for $13. And then there's this brass heart. That's actually really pretty. It looks like it's on a stone for $17. It's a good size. I found some more planters. Now this one has a wood base on the outside, the plastic insert. This is $25. And that's kind of a medium height. Now this is a real wicker stool. I'm not sure if I would place that outside. Now this one is $30. And then this one is $50. So lots of different planters right now at HomeGoods. So if you're looking for some new ones, definitely check them out. You're going to get your best selection right now because I do know they get picked over pretty fast. And even the art pieces, if you're wanting some new art pieces, maybe some floral pieces for your wall, they're actually priced pretty good. Like this one is $17. And then this one over here, that one is about $20. And I really like the frames. So definitely check these out at HomeGoods, especially if you're wanting to do like a little home refresh. Well, everyone, thank you so much again for coming along to HomeGoods with me today. Thank you again for your time and for watching. Take care, and I'll talk to you later.